Only a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 365 Daily English Conversations. I'm Arrefa.
And I'm Tiffany. We're happy to have you with us again today.
Today's conversation is about something that can happen to anyone.
You're ready to leave the house. You have your phone, your bag, your keys.
And then you suddenly realize you forgot your wallet.
Oh, no.
Today's keywords are wallet, borrow, cash, and return.
Let's learn some useful English for this everyday situation.
Let's begin with our slow English conversation.
Tiffany, are you ready to go?
Almost. Let me check my bag.
What are you looking for?
My wallet. I can't find it.
Did you check all the pockets?
Yes, it's not in my bag.
Maybe you left it at home.
Oh, wait. I remember now. I used it last night.
Where did you use it?
At the supermarket. Then I came home and put the groceries on the kitchen table.
Maybe you left your wallet there.
You're probably right. Let me call home.
Good idea.
Hello? Mom? Did you see my wallet? Really? It's on the kitchen table?
See? You left it at home.
Oh no, I completely forgot about it.
Do you have any cash in your bag?
No, I usually keep my cash in my wallet.
What about your card?
It's in my wallet too.
That's a problem.
I need to buy lunch later, and I need to take the bus.
Don't worry, you can borrow some money from me.
Really? Are you sure?
Of course. How much do you need?
Maybe $10. That should be enough for the bus and lunch.
Here you go.
Thank you so much. I'll return the money tomorrow.
No problem. You can return it whenever you have your wallet.
I really appreciate it.
Don't worry. Friends help each other.
That's true, but I feel a little embarrassed.
Don't be. I've forgotten my wallet before too.
Really? When?
Last month. I went to a coffee shop with no cash and no card.
What did you do?
I had to go back home.
So we're both forgetful sometimes.
Exactly. That's why I always check my wallet before leaving home.
That's a good habit. Phone, keys, wallet.
Exactly. The three important things.
Wait, my phone, my keys, and my wallet.
You don't have it.
I know. I just wanted to make sure.
Let's go. We don't want to be late.
Okay, and I'll pick up my wallet when I get home.
Good plan.
Thanks again for lending me the money.
You're welcome. Just remember to return it.
I will. I promise. Let's review today's 4 main vocabulary words. 1. Wallet. A wallet is a small case used to carry money, cards, and identification. Example, I can't find my wallet. 2. Borrow. Borrow means to take and use something from someone and give it back later. Example, can I borrow some money? 3. Cash. Cash means money in the form of bills and coins. Example, I don't have any cash with me. 4. Return. Return means to give something back. Example, I'll return the money tomorrow.
Here are some useful expressions from today's conversation. I can't find my wallet.
I left it at home.
Can I borrow some money?
I'll return it tomorrow.
And, don't worry,
Great job! You finished the slow version.
this time we'll speak faster, just like real conversations.
Ready? Let's go!
Tiffany, are you ready to go?
Almost. Wait. Where's my wallet?
Did you check your bag?
Yes, but it's not there. Oh, I think I left it at home.
Do you have any cash?
No, my cash and cards are in my wallet.
Don't worry, you can borrow some money from me.
Really? Thank you. I'll return it tomorrow.
No problem, just don't forget your wallet again.
Haha, I'll try my best.
Before we leave, let's check everything. Phone?
Check.
Keys?
Check.
Wallet?
Oh, I'll get it when I get home.
Now, let's challenge ourselves with speak a little faster.
Let's begin. Arrefa, I think I forgot my wallet at home.
Really? Do you have any cash?
No, I don't. Can I borrow some money?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. I'll return it tomorrow.
No problem. But next time, check your wallet before you leave.
I definitely will.
Time for shadowing practice.
Now it's your turn. Listen carefully. And repeat.
Where's my wallet?
I left my wallet at home.
I don't have any cash.
Can I borrow some money?
I'll return it tomorrow.
Thank you for helping me.
Don't worry.
I'll remember my wallet next time.
Listening and speaking challenge.
Now let's practice speaking.
Answer each question out loud, and we would appreciate it if you would write them in the description.
Question 1. Have you ever forgotten your wallet? Question 2. What do you usually keep in your wallet? Question 3. Do you usually carry cash? Question 4. Have you ever borrowed money from a friend? Question 5. What 3 things do you check before leaving home?
Time for mini role play.
Now let's practice a short real-life situation. Imagine you are about to leave home with your friend. I'll start. Are you ready to go?
Wait, I can't find my wallet.
Did you leave it at home?
Yes, I think I did.
Do you need to borrow some money?
Yes, please. I'll return it tomorrow.
No problem. Let's go.
Excellent work! Today you learned how to talk about a very common problem, forgetting your wallet.
Remember today's 4 important words: wallet, borrow, cash, return.
And here's a useful habit. Before leaving home, check
Phone,
keys.
wallet.
3 simple things that can save you from a stressful morning.
Keep practicing your English with everyday situations.
One conversation, one day, one step closer to speaking English confidently.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.